How y'all doing today? It's been raining a lot last couple days, and I see moisture pockets right there. What brought me up here to look at that? There's a big pocket. There's a water blister. So today I'm gonna do something about that water blister. I'm gonna put a little small hole in it. Hopefully it drains faster. That bowl look like it's big enough. So basically, somewhere on the roof or somewhere on the side of the wall, the siding of the house, there is a leak. It's not that bad because that's not a lot of water for 3 days of raining. It's blowing bubbles. Well, I have another bowl down there to catch anything left. Once it dry out, it should shrink back down to normal size.